Wow, Ty. Such a big boy riding that bike. Today's your birthday, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How old are you?
5.
5. You got a 5-year-old bike.
Yep.
So cool.
I can ride around you.
Uh-huh. Wow. Oh. You okay? Your knee okay?
Ow.
So,
Dad?
so Tyler, what happened when we fell down?
I don't know.
Were we just going around in circles too many times? Can you
Yes.
see your knee? What happened? Got a little owie on his knee. Got a little scrape right there. Does it still hurt?
Take a picture of it.
I am. Does it still hurt? Feel better now?
It still hurts.
You know, I think everybody scrapes their knee a little bit when they learn to ride a bike.
Yeah, but then they practice more.
Uh-huh.
Then they fall down a couple times more. But then they get better and better without training wheels.
Wow. Pretty smart.
I know. That's because I'm 5.
Yep.
The older you get, the smarter you get.
Yep, you got smarter today, didn't you?
Yeah.